All right, good stuff. So we're back here. All 4 pistons and sleeves are installed. And what we're going to do next is we're going to drop the head on here. That's the next step that I want to get done. And then we have a few things that we need to fix. But the big job for right now is to get the head on here. So what we need to do is we had installed these hold downs in order to keep the sleeves honest while we did all the other work that we were doing. So the first thing we got to do is pull these off and put the clamping blocks away. Okay, Jack? Other way, that's tightening. Yep, there you go. So go ahead and put all these away. They go in the clamping kit on the back of the toolbox. Look where I'm pointing.
I am a red one.
All right, good. So go put them all away in there. They fit in their own spots. And then we will clean up the top here. And then we'll get the head gasket, and then we'll get the head and we'll drop it on. And then we'll get it torqued down. It's going to be awesome. Okay? So let's carry on here and get that done.
Hey, Dad.
Really excited about this. This is going to be good. This is probably going to be the best motor I've done, I think. I feel like everything on it is going to be top notch. All right, so next up, we're going to take that off of there. Going to give this a quick inspection, and then we're going to clean the tops. Make sure that this surface is clean and good. I've already gone over all of this with a file previously to make sure there were no high spots. Okay, that's all looking pretty good. And then what I want to do is just clean off any dust, filth in here. It's all looking pretty great. What we're going to do is take just a little bit of oil, just a little bit. Oops, that's probably way too much. Help me out here. We just want to line the cylinder walls with that, just so it's got some oil on there when it first starts up. Okay.
Is this on camera?
Yeah. Now, why don't you get the gasket set, look in there and find the head gasket.
Found
you know
it.
which one the head gasket is? That's
The big one?
the big black one in the bottom. It should be in its own sealed container. Head gasket is very important for the engine. Usually a big job to replace it.
I did or you did?
Get that out of there. So that's good. That is all prepped up and ready to go. Very happy with that. You know how to lay that on the engine?
Yeah.
Which way does it go, do you think? That's absolutely right. Now hold on. It should be marked with a top. Is it marked with a top?
No.
It is not marked with a top. So now we have to try and figure out if it's the same or not. Okay, it could technically go either way. So it could go, definitely could go like this. And it could definitely also go like this. Oh, no, it can't go like that. Oh, great. So it's unidirectional. Perfect. Awesome. That makes it so much easier not to have to guess. All right, that's there. Very good. So we'll let that sit like that. And then we will go grab the head and carefully set it down on there and get the bolt started. All right?
Carefully?
Very carefully, Jack. Move aside.
Yes, sir.
No, that's all wrong. All right, let's pull bolts out. Just two. We just need to pull two out. Put that one back. Line it up. Line up the head gasket.
Done.
Keep it lined up. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Wonderful. All right. Now that is going to be, we're going to need to find our torque spec for that. Jack, we're going to need a socket. I think it's going to be, I think you're going to find it's probably 3/4 that we need for the socket. So go see if you can find it.
3/4.
Mm-hmm. 60 foot-pounds is what we need for the torque.
16?
60.
Oh. Found it.
See if that's the right size.
Smaller.
Okay, so get the smaller size that we need then.
I don't think it's imperial.
It is imperial for sure. What size did you get?
5/8.
No, like 13/16. Come on, Jack.
Found it.
Is that the right size?
No. Smaller. I'm going 11/16.
That looks like the right size. Very good. Get your torque wrench and set it to 60 foot-pounds.
My torque wrench, this is yours. £60 foot-pounds.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay. So start with this regular ratchet.
But I
Yeah, just pull it off. Come on.
I can't. I'm weak.
Yeah, well, get stronger. Go ahead and tighten those up by hand just to snug them up, okay? Do it evenly. Start in the center and work your way out, Jack. Start in the center and work your way out. Just bring them all up until they're snug, okay? Yeah, and then you do, what you do is a star pattern. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, Just work your way out, okay? Then these two. You gotta go way more with that one, buddy. Come on now. What's going on with that? That's not right. There we go. For some reason that one's tight. There's probably some crap in the threads. There. Okay, come on. Get the torque wrench. Stop.
Oh, shoot.
Start at the center. Just do it in stages, Jack. There, stop. So go to the next one and make it that tight and do that all the way down, okay? Yep, just like that. And then this one. And then that one. And this one. And then this one. And then this one. And this one. This one. This one. No. It's already that tight? Oh, you started there. Yeah. Okay, now go back to that one. Yep.
Dad,
Yes, Justin?
Mommy needs her awesome strength.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Well, that's a very wonderful way to ask for it. Okay, you carry on, Jack. Do the star pattern, do it evenly. My awesome strength has been requested.
This is called laser gun.
The same every time, Lily. Strength. Exactly what.
What did she say?
Justin knows the truth. Justin knows how to get the most out of people. All right, what do we got?
Nearly there. Done. Here you go. You can double check.
All right, let's check.
Is
Get
this
the,
working?
Get the red goop.
Is this working? Hey, Dad, is this Montauk mode?
No, it's recording live.
Okay, then. Can I mark all of them? Tell me when they checked all of them so I can just mark all of them.
Well, we're probably going to do one more round because they're slightly moving a little bit. Did a good job, Jack. Okay, so as I click them, you mark them and mark from the head to the cylinder so that they're marked as to their position, okay? All right, good. This guarantees that all the bolts are tight and checked. Good deal. Done. That's it. The head is installed now. That's awesome. That is totally, totally awesome. Jack, stand next to it. We'll take a picture and send it to Grandad. Okay, so you can see that we've got some cork stuffed in here on these surfaces. So that's really good. Happy with that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean off these surfaces and get the bolts ready to put the pan on, because we're basically ready to clap this engine together. Everything's looking good. It's turning over freely. Happy with how everything feels. We just went ahead and put seal sections there. Now the next thing that we need to do, Jack, before we get too carried away, is I want you to go ahead and we're going to put a layer of silicone on here. But we're only going to do it in a few key spots, all right, to make sure that we seal. Because if we do it over the whole surface, it's going to be impossible to get this apart. All right. There's just a tiny bit of wonk in there, but we should be okay with that. We can live with that. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Yeah, that's the cork gasket that it takes. Now, what we're going to do is I don't want to put sealant all over everything everywhere. Only a few key spots I want to do that. One of those spots is here, like that. Another one of those spots is here.
Oh, with the cork.
At any point where we have a joint. Okay. Another one of those spots is up here. And another spot is here. So on the last tractor I did, actually not the last tractor, the first tractor I did not do this, and it leaked there. And it was awful. A constant little puddle, and it was a real pain in the bottom to get under there and fix that. So we're just going to make sure that we've got silicone where we want it here. And just like that. And that should still let us be able to properly service it.
On?
Yes, you may. Make sure you put it on the right way around. Here.
It is in the right way around.
I'll help you out here. Just drop it down. Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. That's good. That should seal. That should seal nicely. All right. do the honors and lower the pan down. I recommend grabbing it by the drain plug hole with one finger and then guide it with your other hand. Carefully.
What? No silicone on the gasket?
Doesn't need it. That's only really necessary because of the baloney associated with the thing. So now we can take all of our brand new oil pan bolts. We did not have enough of the originals. We'll just go ahead and start them all in there. Hold on a second, Jack. Gasket's not quite in the right place up here. There we go. Oh, I'm short a bolt? Oop. Come on here. Is that no good? Go see if I have a new nut. Jack, what are you doing? Oh, you're finding the last bolt? Should be a short one. There's long and short ones in there.
This one?
Yeah, that's the right size. Grab a washer.
Only one?
Just need one washer, one lock washer. There you go. Now you can go through and tighten them all. Here you go. Use this.
Thank you.
Where's the drain plug?
It's right here.
The drain plug.
It's right here.
Oh, there we go. Good. I'll take that. Wait, we have to do some repairs on it.
Well, I finished tightening it all up.
All right, let me check them. Did you miss this one, Jack?
What do you mean? Oh, must go.
Oh, okay. You didn't go as tight as I would have. That's good. Okay, Jack. Jack. No, not quite yet. I don't have to make this ridiculously tight. There we go.
What's the final thing we need to do?
Alright, we gotta flip the engine back over. We're all done on the bottom. We're all buttoned up down there. That's actually super awesome. That's finished. Come on.
I don't think I can do it.
Probably not. Okay, but why don't you get over there and help pick up? Just lift up on the head. Okay, not too much, not too crazy like. Hold on, let me get the rod all the way through. There we go. Alright, keep going. Okay, good stuff. So we'll move the engine forward a little bit.
What are we going to install next?
Here, pop up there for me. Put your foot against the bottom. Yeah, and pull that way. Perfect. Good. Alright. That's awesome. So, basically, we're done over there, I think. Hold on. What I want to do is I want to swing this around. Move out of my way. There we go.
Amen.
It's on casters. So I want to swing it around. This.